Welcome back to TechKidFX for another GRT price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the GRT chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area, I now believe that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1 in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.2325 mark. And before we started our Elliot wave structure to the upside, we had been seeing higher prices in this 1-2 setup to the upside. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you my target area in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.3939 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this wave 3 to the upside to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for this larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis, where you can see that after seeing our low in the red target area in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2, we started our micro Elliot wave counts within the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3, where you can see that we saw a 5 wave structure completing that first wave to the upside in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.1747 mark. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of the wave 2 in a move that bottomed out within this blue target area. And having seen the low for this wave 2, whatever we expected next was the start of this higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side, where I'm also expecting to see another micro Elliot wave count within the formation of the wave 3 because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3. And at the time of this recording, you can see we have now peaked in that first wave, also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which I was able to come up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that we have now fully maximized. And there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a target area in the formation of this wave 3, which is my short-term target area here on the GRT chart, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.171 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this wave 3 to the upside to do. And there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up until we fully maximize that target area and also get a break above the wave 1 high at around the $0.1509 mark, which will be the first confirmation that whatever we are seeing is the formation of that wave 3. But in case the breakdown continues here on the GRT chart, and in my previous videos I gave you a target area that we need to continue holding within for us to still say that we are seeing a bit of an impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3, and that target area I was able to come up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high that we made at around the $0.1579 mark, and that gave me a target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and we can extend that to the fib level 0.78 at around the $0.1385 mark. And as long as we are holding within this blue target area, the trend is still up. And in case we break out of the target area and continue seeing further breakdown, then the alternative scenario be that we are going to see a reset of this second wave. And in case the reset is in between the $0.1391 mark and the $0.1327 mark, then from that target area we can expect our reversal to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the GRT chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 38 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown, maybe to fully maximize this target area or maybe reset the second wave. So let's be prepared for both scenarios, and I'll be keeping you updated.